There is already positivity around the room due to the table topic session. So let's welcome Khushbu for the table topic evaluation.
What a great start with table topics, which was also linked with the theme of the day. And Neeraj volunteered to take up the first thing. Again, one learning that if you are there, you are going to be called out, right? So why not volunteer? Why not raise hand? Raise hand. This is a learning from him that if you are part of the meeting to speak, if you have not taken up a speaker role, if you have not taken up a role where you would be required to come over here and speak, volunteer for table topics, because that's one thing definitely you should not miss upon if you're part of the meeting. So again, just by that gesture, you gave a learning to all of us. So I appreciate that you went first. Another aspect of his speech was, it was humorous. He brought a smile on our faces, so that's a positive point. So I am always pro smile. So that's a message that I always give, that bring in smile to the audience. That's one thing you can bring in, which creates positivity. So humorous speech, it was creative. The usage of stage and hand movements was pretty cool. So that's the observations for your table topic. Then next came Sai. You started with a story, which is very good, because when you start with a story, there is a story you can link along with the message, and somewhere in between you also talk about the main point. So that was a good start in terms of weaving a story around the table topic. The recommendations are very similar to what Neeraj already mentioned. I noticed that if you could have added some bit of pauses in between, some softness in your voice, because you have a very strong voice. So if you add a little softness, it will actually become friendly for the audiences. So audience would be connecting with you in a better way if you be a little softer, and again, smile a bit. Just that. Yeah, you just smile, right? So you can smile. So that's just a small suggestion from my side. Then came Saji with all the softness and smile. So then came Sanji with that. One thing I really appreciate about Sanji, which she did in the table topics and she does in other speeches as well, is the usage of words, the words that she picks up. Now, whether it is talking about Prime Minister or whether it is talking about our colleagues, she's very courteous about talking about people in question or the characters she's introducing. So that's a good point, that when you even respect the characters you're introducing in your speech, that shows your humility, your humbleness, your personality. It reflects the choice of words actually reflects what human being you are, what person you are. So that's a pro thing, that's a very positive thing that I've noticed in Sanji's table topic. For her, again, facial expressions, and she's just joined, so I would not say much about improvement points. One thing is eye contact, maybe engage with all audiences and make use of the stage. These are very, very minor points, but you can move along. Very good start in terms of table topics. Next came Basant. He's humorous, we know it, and whenever he's here, I know something is coming up which will make everyone laugh. So that's his strong point. He also took up that role. He assumed the role of Kejriwal. So I was actually a little scared. I told Shivam that you're bringing in political people over here. I hope people remain in that boundary, and which everyone did, which is a very good point. I like the way you brought the story. You could have taken, just a suggestion, you could have taken a few seconds, thought about it, because you built it very well, but there was some repetition. Like initially you repeated a few lines. Repetition is good when you want to create an impact, just to create that impact. But there is a thin line between creating an impact and letting the audience know that I'm still thinking of the second line, that's why I'm repeating the first line. So there is a very thin line. You created the impact, but after a while, it was that, okay, you're thinking the next line and that's why you're repeating. So just take 15 seconds to think about it and then come out with the bang. Yoshika, she did that. She took those 30 seconds. So I'm just linking it. She took your so that's a very good mature way of handling table topics, that especially when you're given a topic which you're boggled with, you don't know what this is all about, calm down, think for a while. You did that, which is very good. maybe you could have taken 2 more seconds, done that again.
Yeah.
So that would have helped, because you started with a song, again went back.
Yeah.
In a continuity with the song and what you spoke, it would have looked very nice. Another good point that I noticed in her speech, which is a learning, is that she chose to disagree, which is also a very good option. It's not always important that we go with the flow of the table topic. If the topic is given to us that this is honesty is a good policy, we can always say, no, I don't think it is a good policy. You can give your own opinion. So have your own opinion, have a story, have a message. That's a good gesture that you show, that if you do not like Salman Khan, you don't have to forcibly say that I like Salman Khan, I'm assuming role of Salman Khan. And she gave a reason also why not. And she linked it with the social connect. So that's also a positive point. So thumbs up for that. Mayank, he's the star of table topics, and he took those 30 seconds. So that shows his maturity in terms of table topics. He was calm, he was very relaxed, he took some time and then started off. One strong point that I noticed in Mayank in today's table topic is that somehow he did bring up the message. He did bring up the message, because we used to talk about the contest things. One thing he actually used to strive for is that at the end of the table topic, somewhere if we can link it with some social message, give a food of thought to the audience, that creates an impact. So despite the fact that his topic was not pro-message, the topic was not such that where he could have picked up and put his opinion to it, still he managed to think of a message and connected with, and he also appreciated the person in question. It's very easy to criticize people, it's very easy to say negative things, but being able to think on the spot and appreciate another person and still come up with some message through a topic which was not pro-message, great job. Only Mayank can do it as of now. So great job at that, and I can see that change in the way of handling, and it's a strategy which everyone can learn. Finally, Vinita, again, it's good that you came in. Your positive points I already mentioned, your smile, your open hand gestures, that is very inspiring, because I have this habit of keeping my hands like this, or trying to be a little restricted. So that's your strong point, that you open up, you are more welcoming to the audience. Your hand movements were very nice, your voice modulation at different instances were very nice. Ultimately, one more observation which was for you, again a learning, that you enjoyed your speech. You were enjoying every sentence that you were speaking. And when the speaker standing over here, whether it is storytelling or anything, when the person is enjoying the speech, it creates an impact. So that's a learning, that even if it is a rehearsed speech or an on-the-spot speech, that if you enjoy what you're saying, if you really mean what you're saying, automatically the audience will feel engaged and feel connected to it. So great job there. We had a fantastic table topic session. Thank you, Shivam. Over to you.